Assalamu alaikum class. I hope you are all fine. This is science class grade 5. Topic is sunspots. Sunspots are areas of the sun's surface that look darker than surrounding areas. This is because they are cooler than the lighter areas. Students, as you can see in the diagram, sunspots are the small circles or spots on the surface of the sun that look darker than the surrounding areas. This is because they are much cooler than the lighter areas. Next topic is planets. Planets are spherical bodies that orbit a sun. As students, as we know, there are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. You can see the diagrams of the planets. Now there are two types of planets: terrestrial planets and gas planets. Terrestrial planets are those planets which are made up of solid. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are known as terrestrial planets, while gas planets are those planets which are entirely made up of gases, such as Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Students, it is also the smallest planet. Mercury is so small that has so little gravity that it is virtually unable to hold onto its atmosphere due to its small size, as you can see in the diagram. Next is Venus. Students, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. It has a very thick atmosphere that has made it hard for scientists to study the planet. Students, Venus is the only planet that spins east to west on its axis, and it is also the only planet that takes longer time to spin the way around its axis than it does to orbit the sun. That is why the day is longer than its year. Students, Venus is the closest planet to the Earth, but the reason why humans can survive on a Mars but can't survive on a Venus, the reason is because Venus is much closer to the Sun than Mars and therefore is too much hot for humans to survive. Next is Earth. It is the only planet that supports life. It does so because of the presence of water and oxygen. Water covers about 70% of the Earth's surface. The core of the Earth is in liquid form. Next is Mars. Mars is the planet that is most similar to Earth. Its temperature could support human life, though the lack of oxygen means humans would need their own supply. There is also ice is present at the caps and underground, which suggests there could have been water supporting some form of life sometimes in the past. Next is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. It has a huge red spot about 40,000 km wide. This spot is actually a storm that has been active for several hundred years. Jupiter has 3 rings around it that may be caused by dust. Students, as you can see in the diagram, Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system and it has a huge spot which is 40,000 km wide. That is why it is also called shooting star. Saturn. Saturn is surrounded by rings made from ice and rock. These rings each orbit the planet at different speeds. Students, as you can see the rings around this planet, we can see this planet from the Earth without a telescope, but we can't see these rings without a telescope. Next is Uranus. Uranus lies on its sides as it orbits the Sun. This could be because of a collision with another planet-sized body or because of a moon leaving Uranus' gravitational pull and dragging the planet over as it left. Uranus has the coolest surface temperature of all the planets. Okay, students, collision means crash with another planet-sized body. Uranus has the coolest surface temperature of all the planets, while the hottest planet in our solar system is Venus. Next is Neptune. Neptune's existence was assumed before it was discovered. Scientists were puzzled by the way Uranus sometimes drifted from a natural orbit and believed that there must be another planet influencing its movement. Scientists searched for it and they discovered this planet called Neptune. Puzzled means they were surprised and drifted means it was changing its natural position. So scientists searched for it and they discovered the new planet called Neptune. Okay students, here are some blanks regarding this topic. You have to do these blanks on your notebooks. Number 1 is dash is the closest planet to the sun. Number 2, water covers about -% of the surface of Earth. Number 3, dash is the biggest planet in the solar system. Number 4, Saturn can be seen from Earth without dash. Dash is surrounded by rings made from ice and rock. Dash has the coldest surface temperature of all the planets. Okay students, now note down the questions. Question number 1 is, what are sunspots? You can search the answer of this question from this page number 98. What are sunspots? Next question is, what are planets? The answer of this question is on page number 99. Next question is, name the planets in our solar system which are terrestrial planets and which are gas planets. I hope you have understood the lecture. Students, now open your workbook, page number 44. This is a word search. Use the clues below to find the words in the word search. These are the hints which are given to you. For example, number 1, dash electricity is caused when two things are rubbed together. The answer is static. So this is static. You have to circle the answer like this. Thank you.